Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. We got Pup over here. So I don't know why this guy hasn't recorded anything, but as you guys can see, we're wrapping his car. It's almost done, and this nigga didn't record anything. Oh fuck, I'm not supposed to say that. This guy hasn't recorded one bit of me wrapping this car, but we just have the bumpers and the roof left, and mirrors and like the door handles. But yeah, right now I'm working on the front one, doing the inlays. As you guys can see, these bumpers are really messed up, so it's a little harder for the vinyl to stick. But this guy, man, I did the back one, but as you guys can see, it's lifting from right here. Probably gonna redo it and clean it better, because as you guys can see, the clear coat is spilling on the back bumper, so I think that's why it didn't stick that good. But it's almost there. Right now we're at the shop where I work at, so yeah. What do you guys think? Okay, so I'm about to do the front bumper right now. This guy's still working on this door handle. Yeah. Damn.
That's you?
Look, he just put up. There's me right here. What do you think?
Can we put some soccer top?
What?
Hey, can I put this in the fridge or no?
But Brian just put up. Is it about to help us? No. $1 each.
Makes him look skinnier.
Probably makes me look bigger, actually.
But anyways, you want to update them, Jay? I mean, I don't know where you guys started recording.
I don't know, just show them what we're doing.
Almost done with the bumper.
The bottom part is gonna be separate, and then also the lid goes on top.
So yeah, won't matter. And then
What you guys are doing?
Kevin and I are doing the roof. Easy. Kev's just doing some cutting now, and then yeah, once we're done with that, we'll give you a little update. And once Jason's done with the bumper too, we'll update you guys.
All right, guys. So the roof is all done. Black. All the fucking the paint's hella bad, so all the imperfections. Hobby.
Yeah.
Front bumper is done. I just need to do the lip kit, so then he can put it on after. Need to wrap the lip, the side skirts, the rear lip, and then it'll be done. Oh, and the mirrors. Mirrors, lip kit, and yeah, it'll be done finally. After how long be?
2 years?
This shit looks good though. What do you guys think? Looks clean, hobby.
Yeah,
Especially.
What color wheels though?
Oh yeah, what color should he? What color wheels should he get, or what color should he spray these, or get them done in chrome polish? What do you guys think? Oh, I'm gonna tint it for him soon too. Or not? Or should he go to Bimbos? Like a 30% windshield and 5 all around, so I can look meaner, more aggressive and shit. Alright guys, so I didn't show you guys any of the process, but I finished wrapping Kevin's front lip. I'm about to get started on the rear one right now. This thing was pretty difficult because it has a lot of curves. So I had to do a few inlays. And this freaking wrap keeps wanting to lift. So I post heated it. I'm gonna have to probably do it again. But yeah, it came out pretty good. Yeah, a few imperfections here and there, but you know, can't. It's hard to do it perfect, especially wrap. But yeah, not bad. Just gotta post heat again. But yeah, almost there.
All right, so we're in the interior of the RSX. I'm pretty sure you saw it's right there. What I had bought for it. I used to have a single dim, but I recently bought this. Yeah, I bought this a month ago for, I believe it was for Black Friday. I got it at Best Buy. Something I wanted for a while, and I think the car it needed it to like make the interior look a little bit better. Right now, the floor is a little bit dirty, carpet. Need to get a vacuum in here and clean all this up. But yeah, this is the Pioneer, the DMH 1500 NEX. Yeah, I really like this Pioneer. It's I like it a lot. It has like our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it has like the USB, the aux, and all that stuff you need. But it's not wireless. It is wired. I have the wired one. Yeah, and I really recommend it. I checked the reviews, and they had like 4.5 out of 5 stars. So that's why I chose to get this one. And yeah, look, I'll turn it on for you guys to show you. Really easy install. Like anybody can do it. I did it because I saw a video on YouTube, and then it looked pretty easy. I did it myself. It's not too hard. Yeah, I was listening to this slapper right now, but yeah, it has like a lot of stuff. I can't connect the Apple CarPlay because I'm recording on the phone, but yeah, I like it a lot. It still has the buttons to touch, and yeah, highly recommend if you're looking to get a double dim for your car. This is a good one. Pioneer DMH 1500 NEX. Highly recommend it. Oh, it also came with it comes with the mic. So when you call on your phone, you can use the mic to call. It has also for the like for a backup reverse camera, which I didn't install because I don't really need it. And also didn't install the mic because don't need it either. It also comes like the buttons for like the steering wheel. Didn't have that either because I have the quick release, so I don't need that. If you guys can see, it's the mileage on the car. I don't really drive it that much, so driveway king. Yeah, so I got this car in 2018. We're in 2023 right now, so had this car for about like almost 5 years. Yeah, about 5 years already. And yeah, so I got 2018. I got it at 102,000. Now it's at 116. So yeah, you can tell how much I drive this car, or I don't drive it at all. Yeah, I like this. Probably one of my favorite mods of the car that I've done to the car. It's worth it. Okay, so here's the outside of the car. Car's about 95% done at this point. I'm just missing the I ran out of wrap for the well, actually I didn't run out of wrap. I just I had bought a heat gun to wrap the mirrors. I only got to wrap this mirror, the driver's side. I mean the passenger, my bad. But unfortunately some fucking cat stole my fucking heat gun, so I wasn't able to wrap this side. So yeah, that's all the car needs is to wrap this mirror, and it'd be 100% complete for right now. But yeah, man, this is how the exterior of the car is looking. You guys know we got the new wheels, the Work T7Rs. I believe they're 18 by 9.5 plus 22, if I'm not mistaken. And then the front, no spacer, so it's at 18 by 9.5 plus 22 in the front. And we have a 25 mil in the back. Shout out to Jason for letting me borrow the spacer. It's a 25 mil. So I think this would be 18 by 9.5, -3 if my math's correct. Yeah. I want to rock these wheels for right now until maybe like the springtime, springtime. And then I'll get some. The goal is to get like some white face wheels. Maybe, yeah, more than likely some three-piece white face wheels. And then I think the car would look 10 times better. I'll make the car pop more. And then hopefully by that time, Jason help me add more camber to the front, because I want to match it with the rear. I think the rear we have it's on -9 in it right now, I think. And then the front's about, I believe it's -4 or 5. I think it's -4. And then since we're right here already, this is the new front end. I'll get you guys a clear view of the front end. So we have the A-spec lip, and then we have the STI lip they put underneath. And then I got the clear fog lights, because we used to have the yellow ones. And all we did was we plasti dipped the grill again. The grill again plasti dipped, so it could look fresh. We also got the clear Honda emblem, because we used to have the red one. And we also got some new headlights. So the whole front end is new. Yeah, so this is new front end, basically whole new front end. Yeah, let me show you guys, get you guys another off top view, another view this side, another view of the car. We have the same Mugen side skirts as we had in the previous color. Yeah, when it was red, same side skirts. Because I couldn't find the A-spec side skirts for this car, so we just kept these. These are reps. These are not OEM. Only the front lip and the rear lip is OEM, but this one is a rep. Have the Recaros. Shout out to the old, well, not the old channel, but the OG name. If you guys know, you know. Yeah, let's go to the back. Start making our way to the back. We have the rear end. This is the rear A-spec lip. This one I did wrap myself. Didn't like how it came out. I had to do it in 2 pieces because I ran out of wrap. So I want to do this piece again, 1 piece, so it could look better. And then yeah, man, I also want to get the JDM taillights, the ones that come with the clear lens, the 2 clear lenses. I want to get those, but those are kind of pricey. So hopefully, if you're in like the Bay Area, NorCal area, you're selling some DC5 JDM taillights, hit me up, shoot me a good price, and then we'll talk in the DMs. Hit me up on the DMs, give your boy a good price. And then yeah, so what I want to do to the I want to get rid of the before I put on all the trim pieces back on, I want to get rid of the motor, this one, for the rear wipers, so I could do a rear wiper delete. I want to get like that little thing right here that deletes the wiper, so I think it'll make the rear end look better. I also want to tint the rear windshield, or not windshield, but rear window. Retint that because it looks hideous right now. Yeah, leftover wrap, 10 interior, hate it. Yeah, let me get you guys another look of the front end. This is how it looks from the side. See what you guys think. Little angles. But yeah, we're back to the front. Let me know what you guys think of the new look of the car. Sorry that it took so long. Just a lot of procrastination and then being lazy and stuff like that. Yeah, man. Like how the car looks right now. I just want to get some 3-piece wheels with the white face. I think it'll look better with the car. It'll look like 10 times better. Yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure you guys give it a like. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It'll probably be like a little tag right here or in the comments. No, in the description. My bad. Yeah, man. Hope you guys have a nice Christmas with your guys' families. Have a happy new year, and then hopefully you guys have all your wishes come true, or whatever you ask for Christmas, you get it. Yeah, man, just have a good time with your families, enjoy them. And yeah, man, here's the RSX, and I hope you guys like it, man. I'll see you guys hopefully soon, and then I'll shoot it back to Jay to see if he's gonna close the video or add this to another video. But yeah, man, we'll send it back to Jay. Peace.